Today's video is about our recent stay at the Ritz Carlton, Orlando. We stayed in a double queen lakeview room. So as you come in, we'll go straight into the bedroom part. Let's take a look over here. And there's an ice bucket, some mini bar things for purchase. And then if we lift this up, it has an espresso maker, some waters. There's the Nespresso coffee and some teas. And then, let's see, there's some drawer space underneath. And let's close that back up. And let's walk over here. Some plugins right here on the desk area, a lamp, paper and pen, the phone, a cute little terrarium. Is that what that's called? I think so. Here's the beds, 2 queen-size beds, just like I said earlier. These have been recently renovated. That's what the website said. And if we go on in, the pillows were very comfortable. And they love chocolates each night. There's the alarm clock. There's some drawer space underneath and a little cubby there. There was always plenty of water left, so that was really nice, especially in that Florida heat. There are plugins here, both USB and regular plugins. Lamp, just the standard things in our room. And then if we walk out here, or just look out here, okay, here we go. Let's look out here. There were 2 chairs and a little table, and there's the lake view. And the pool view too. It was really pretty. And we did sit out here and it wasn't too hot because the sun wasn't shining when we were sitting out there. So it was actually pretty pleasant. So if we continue walking through here, we will come to the bathroom area. There are 2 double sinks over there, plenty of towels, a bathtub here with some artwork above the bathtub. Here are the 2 double sinks at the vanity there. Mirror, a makeup mirror, so that's always nice. That it was lit as well, so you could turn the light on for the makeup mirror. They were using the Diptyque products. And the toilet area is separate, so there it is. And then if we look over here, here's the shower area. It was a little bit of a smaller shower, but completely doable. Here's the closet was on the left-hand side in our room as you walked in. It does have a safe in here, as well as plenty of hanging space, ironing board, and space up here for storing your extra bags and things like that. 2 laundry bags, and there is a list of the pricing for the laundry if you need to do that while you're there. Let me get this unfolded. Here we go. This was, like I said, in June of 2022. So here are the prices during that time. I do want to point out, though, that this closet area was the main area for storage of any of your clothes, luggage, that sort of thing. They do have a luggage rack inside the closet here, that's right here, but no extra drawer space other than what I showed you earlier, which was right there by the bedside and underneath the coffee maker. So not that much storage. Keep that in mind. Now, as we go out here, this was a really neat area. This was in between the JW Marriott and the Ritz Carlton, closer to the Ritz Carlton, but they had this area is the Ritz Kids outside area. And if we look at this map right here, the area that I just showed you, you can see right here by where that little chicken is. Across from that was where the Falcon area was. But this is the Ritz Carlton area on this side, and then you can easily walk across to the JW Marriott. We did that, and we did check out the Lazy River pool over at the JW Marriott. It was under construction. A lot of the areas were under construction while we were there, but it looks like it's going to be really neat once it's finished. We were still able to enjoy the pool, though, and the lazy river, so that was really nice. They did have this little activity area while we were there. My kids really enjoyed playing this game. There was plenty of seating there, which was really neat, and it was really a pretty atmosphere at night with the lights and stuff around. I will say take caution for little animals, little creepy crawlies like snakes and things like that. We did see a little snake while we were out there, so be cautious of that. This is a restaurant there by the Ritz Carlton pool. It was closed when we went down there, but we were just checking out everything while we were there. There is plenty of seating out there at the pool, and the pool area is really pretty in general. So we'll just take a look at the seating, and those areas over there are the cabanas. And then here's the pool. We saw it earlier in the room view, but here it is more in person. And then here is a little cool station that had hand sanitizer, sunscreen, and I think some wipes or something. And then this that we're on right now is about the spa, the treatments at the spa. Feel free to stop the video and try to look at what you want to look at. It just has a lot of information about the spa, the treatments, that sort of thing. And this is on their website too, so you can easily look at it on their website. I did not get a chance to partake in any of the spa things, but it looked really nice. We were just really busy while we were there. They also had fitness classes. I wish I would have done this, but I did not get up early enough to do it. They do offer classes later in the day, but we were always at the park or something. But here's a list of those that were going on while we were there. I'm sure they change. And here is the menu over at the JW Marriott at the pool. We did get several things there, and it was very tasty. I'll have some more pictures towards the end of the video of some of the food that we got. This was a little game area that was near the Ritz Kids area. It was really nice. Foosball, that sort of thing. Really cute. They did have these really yummy looking ice creams. My son got the berry one. He said it was good. I tasted it. It was good. Some seating area there by the pool and around the hotel. This is the walkway to the spa area. It was a really pretty resort. They had several hammocks, so that was really nice, and with the lighting and things, this was really nice atmosphere. This is the lobby of the spa area, also very nice. And then these are just some pictures of the hotel itself in the evening. This is down in the bottom of the resort of the Ritz Carlton. They had some pool tables and other little games. And these next few pictures are from the Ritz Kids area. They had several different animals, and I don't know if you can see that little tortoise in there. And then I think this was a gecko or something, but you can only see his tail. My son was really enamored with this. And then they also had this little alligator as well. Hopscotch outside for the kids. So cute. And this little area that looks like a little campfire was adorable. Here's they had open house while we were there from 10 to 11:30. I would really encourage you to check it out if you have a child. It was really neat. This is the JW Marriott Hotel, and that's the lazy river there. And here's some pictures of some of the food that we enjoyed while we were there. Chicken sandwich, salsa, guacamole, and then we had a Mediterranean bowl. It was really good. And this is cookie dough from the little coffee shop inside the Ritz Carlton. So yummy. The coffee was also really good from there, so if you like coffee, this is a great choice. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day wherever you are.